Too often we fill that void with instant commentary and celebrity gossip and the softer stories that Walter disdained rather than the hard news and investigative journalism he championed. You know, in an age of instant access to information, a lot of cynicism in the news, it's easy to lose perspective in a flood of pictures, in the swirl of political debate. You're used to instant gratification. But education also teaches you the value of discipline. That the greatest rewards come not from instant gratification, but from sustained effort and from hard work.
Dramatic events that change the course of history in an instant. Instead, true leadership.
Everything they lived for and hoped for, taken away in an instant.
In any instant, any dad in America.
That we hang on to a little bit of that. Because it's right there under the surface, every day. And it expresses itself, obviously, in the marathon. It expresses itself in and then, in an instant, the day's beauty was shattered. In this age of instant reporting, tweets, and blogs, there's a temptation to latch onto any bit of information, sometimes to jump to conclusions. In the instant the car door slams or the school bus door shuts, there's a little flutter that goes on. Our thoughts are with those who face a long road, the wounded, the heartbroken, the families who lost their homes and possessions in an instant. In an instant, neighborhoods were destroyed. You've been educated in an era of instant information. Before this law, only a handful of states required insurance companies to offer you instant price quotes, but because of this law, insurers in all 50 states will have to offer you instant price quotes.
And attract talent to the U.S. Immigration reform could provide an instant jolt to the U.S. economy, which we need.
6 hours after the landings, he wrote, we held only 10 yards of beach. In this age of instant commentary, the invasion would have swiftly and roundly been declared, as it was by one officer, a debacle. But such a race to judgment would not have taken into account the courage of freedom. And in an age of instant information, where TV and Twitter can feed us a steady stream of bad news, I know that it can sometimes seem like the order that we've created is fragile, maybe even crumbling. Maybe the center cannot hold.